How to change the language on your Android device. First of all, you need to navigate to Settings app on your device. Now scroll down. Tap Additional Settings option. And now, under Additional Settings, you will get the option for language and region. To change the language, you simply need to tap Language and Region option. Now, you can currently see the English language has been set as a default language. To change it, tap Edit button. Now here, you can simply scroll and search any kind of language that makes you convenient to use the Android device. You can simply tap plus button to add on your language list, and simply you can make any language to default by tapping on the plus button next to it and adding to your language list. So after that, you will successfully change the language on your Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.